Perched high above Silicon Valley in the hills of Los Gatos, California, the Shou Sugi Ban House is a thoughtful transformation of an existing modern residence originally completed in 1999. Rather than replacing the home, the architects chose to expand and reinterpret it, creating a design that responds to both the architecture already on site and the rugged, natural landscape surrounding it. The renovation and addition, completed in 2015, demonstrate how an established house can evolve while preserving its original identity. The project was inspired by the textures found throughout the property: weathered boulders, tree bark, and layers of foliage scattered across the hillside. These natural elements became the guiding language of the redesign, influencing both material choices and spatial character. Instead of competing with the landscape, the architecture seeks to echo it, allowing the house to feel rooted in its environment, despite its dramatic position overlooking the valley below. Cladding this new volume is traditional Japanese Shou Sugi Ban burnt cedar, a centuries-old technique in which wood is charred to create a protective outer layer. The deep black surface gives the addition a striking appearance, but its role goes beyond aesthetics. The charred wood creates visual weight, helping the new structure feel grounded within the landscape while providing a material connection to the dark tones and textures found throughout the site. The internal reconfiguration is just as important as the exterior transformation. Adjacent to an expanded kitchen, the new addition accommodates a spacious family room that strengthens the home's social core. A staircase within this volume leads to an upper-level guest suite, allowing visitors to enjoy privacy while remaining connected to the rest of the household. This arrangement adds functionality without disrupting the flow of the original residence. Throughout the remodeled interiors, the architects continued the theme of natural texture and material authenticity. Surfaces were selected to create a warm and tactile atmosphere, reinforcing the relationship between indoors and outdoors. Large openings frame views of the surrounding landscape, while natural light moves through the living spaces, emphasizing the contrast between the dark exterior cladding and the brighter, more inviting interior environments. Another interesting lesson from this project is how the addition avoids overwhelming the original architecture. Instead of mimicking existing forms, the new volume establishes a clear distinction between old and new. This contrast allows each part of the house to retain its own identity while contributing to a more cohesive whole. For homeowners considering an extension, the project offers a valuable example of how contemporary additions can complement, rather than imitate, existing structures. Ultimately, the Shou Sugi Ban House is less about creating a completely new home and more about strengthening the relationship between architecture, landscape, and daily living. Through the careful use of natural materials, a clearly defined addition, and a design language inspired directly by its surroundings, the project demonstrates how a renovation can bring new life to an existing residence while remaining deeply connected to its place. It is a compelling reference for anyone interested in combining modern architecture with the enduring character of nature.